Okay, so we are now on the another method in solving a linear system of two variables by substitution. Okay. Now, before we have already discussed and we have learned about by elimination. Here, this is very useful for solving linear systems in which one variable has coefficient 1 or negative 1. So, dali na siya kung iyang coefficient sa variable is 1 or negative 1. Now, if you could still recall, this example is, we've answered this example by elimination method, no? In example number 2 of our video. So, let's solve this by substitution. Okay, so this would be our equation 1, this would be our equation 2. Now, in our equation 1, it's very clear that y here has the coefficient of 1. So we can solve y in terms of x. Okay, so we can write equation 1 by from 2x plus y is equal to 3, we can transpose 2x to the right side of the equation. So that becomes y is equal to 3 minus 2x. So now this is our equation 1 looks like, no? We solve y in terms of x. No, dali na dyan siya, class, if the coefficient is 1 or negative 1 lang sa variable. So, since we have equation 1, we substitute 1 to equation 2. Okay? So, what will happen if we substitute? Okay. Substitute daw natin ni siya 1 dito ka equation 2. So, you copy 5x plus 3y is equal to 10. So, 5x plus 3. The value of our y now is 3 minus 2x. 3 minus 2x is equal to 10. Okay. That's how we substitute. So, we copy 5x. Then, we distribute. 3 times 3, you have plus 9. Positive 3 times negative 2x, we have negative 6x is equal to 10. Now, as you observe, isa na siya ka-variable class. Variable x lang siya. So, dali na, we can solve the value of x here directly. So, we combine 5 minus 6, you have negative x is equal to 10. We transpose 9 to the right side, that becomes negative 9. Okay? So, negative x. Ngano kayong na negative x ni siya? Because we subtract 5x minus 6x is negative x. Is equal to 10 minus 9, that is 1. So, by dividing both sides by negative 1 or multiplying both sides by negative 1, he could have x is equal to negative 1. So, we are correct because this is just the same on example number 2 of the systems that we've solved using the elimination method. Now, we have come up with x is equal to 1. We substitute x is equal to negative 1 to equation 1. Kani. Naka-plus-star naman siya daan, no? Y is equal to 3 minus 2x. So, that is equal to 3 minus 2. What is the value of our x? That is negative 1. So, negative 1. So, that is y is equal to 3. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. So, y is equal to 5. No? Ato naman siyang na-check itong previous natin nga example. Therefore, we can say that the solution set is the ordered pair negative 1 and 5. So, dali na kay class, no? Ang solving by substitution. Mulang dali na kay siya. Okay, let's find another example. Okay. Let's find another example to that. Okay? I hope natin nasabtan, no? Read. Okay. We'll have another example. You have 5x minus 2y is is equal to minus 5 is equal to 0. You have 3x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, let's solve this one by substitution. Okay, my question now is, are the two equations already written to its standard form? Yes or no? Of course, no, kaya wala may mutubag, no? So, we will write this first to its standard form. Dapat, si constant should be placed on the right side of the equation. So, what will happen? This becomes 5x minus 2y is equal to 5. Because negative 5, yung sign diri, if you transpose that one to the right side, that becomes positive. So, the second equation would be 3x plus y is equal to 3. That's it. So, that would be now our equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. Now, we can solve. Now, try to look at equation 2. The coefficient of y is only 1. So, we can solve y here in terms of x. No? Now, from equation 2, you have 3x plus y is equal to 3. We can solve y. So, y is equal to 3. We transpose 3x to the right side. That becomes negative 3x. So, mo na siya itong equation 2. Look like, no? Dalira kayo. From here, we substitute equation 2 to equation 1. No? So, from equation 1, we have 5x minus 2y is equal to 5. Okay. Now, what is our equation 2? Mumuni siya. So, we substitute that one. So, we copy 5x minus 2 times 3 minus 3x is equal to 5. Okay? So, you have 5x. We distribute negative 2. Negative 2 times 3, you have negative 6. Negative 2 times negative 3 plus 6x is equal to 5. Okay. Okay, now we combine. Okay, copy lang sa ito. 5x plus 6x is equal to 5. We transpose negative 6 to the right side, so plus 6. Now, combine. What is 5 plus 6? That is 11x is equal to 11, of course. So, we solve for x. We divide both sides by 11. So, therefore, our x is equal to 1. Okay. Now, natay value ni x. All we need to do is we substitute this value to our equation number 2. So, now, substitute x is equal to 1 to equation number 2. Maumalis equation number 2 na to para we can solve y. So, y is equal to 3 minus 3x. Okay, so that is y is equal to 3 minus 3. We substitute the value of our x na equal to 1. Ito siyang gipulian. So, therefore, you have y is equal to 3 minus 3. Y is equal to 0. Okay. So, we have come up that x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So, let's check. Checking sa ta whether our answer is correct. So, either of the two equations atong gamiton. So, we substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0 to either of the two. So, we choose to equation 2 kay puros positive. So, you have 3x plus y is equal to 3. Okay. Substitute. 3. The value of our x is 1. Plus, what is the value of our y? So, 0. 0 is equal to 3. So, 3 times 1, 3. Plus 0, 3 na Japan is equal to 3. Therefore, we are correct. So, therefore, our solution set would be the ordered pair 1, 0. Okay. That's it. I hope natin nasabtan, no? Bisan a little bit lang. Okay, thank you for watching.